Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I am on a little bit later than normal tonight. We had kindergarten roundup for my son. Surprisingly, I didn't get emotional, but maybe it was because it was my sixth meeting of the day. And but the school is great. I'm super excited. Garrett gets to go visit it Friday, and I think he's going to absolutely love it. So we're super excited about that. But anyway, I hope you've all had a good week so far. Hopefully all those affected by the flooding here in Nebraska are doing okay. But this week, this was something that just kind of popped up. The title of my live this week is Problem Solving or Overthinking. So problem solving is helpful, overthinking is harmful. Here's how to tell the difference. And this is by Anne Morin. How should I strike up a conversation? What if I pick the wrong logo? Why did he say that? So sometimes we overthink things that happen. And from an increased risk of mental illness to difficulty sleeping, studies have linked overthinking to a long list of negative consequences. By the way, I've been told multiple times today that I look tired. So, hey Veronica. So if I look tired, I've been told that multiple times, and I have this thing on my face right there. I just have a lot going on at work, all good stuff, just a lot going on. So if that's why I look tired, it's because I am, but all is good. So, and the truth is we've all overthought something at one time or another. I am guilty of this a lot. And there's a good chance we didn't even recognize our thoughts weren't productive because it's easy to confuse overthinking and problem solving. So what's the difference? So as a psychotherapist here, this Amy Morin, she says, I've had countless clients come into my office who thought they had to invest a lot of time into worrying about specific problems. They were convinced that the more time they spent thinking about something, the more likely they'd be to develop a solution or prevent something bad from happening. But it doesn't matter how much time you put into thinking about a problem. What matters is how productive your thinking is. Time and mental energy are valuable resources, and you don't want to waste them overthinking. So investing those resources into problem solving, however, can help you make the best decisions. When you're problem solving, you're actively looking for a solution. You're developing action steps you can take, strategies you can employ, and skills you can sharpen. Problem solving decreases stress. Overthinking involves ruminating, worrying, and overanalyzing. It involves dwelling on the problem rather than developing a solution. And again, I am guilty of this. I'll say something or do something, and then, later on, I'm like, God, why did I say that? Or I wonder what they thought about it. And for the most part, people around you are so worried about themselves that they don't even notice those little things that you noticed that you did. So overthinking increases distress, and the more distressed you feel, the more likely you are to focus on the negative, which causes you to feel more anxious. It keeps you stuck in a state of perpetual anxiety. Whether you're not sure what sort of financial move you want to make, or you're experiencing a problem in your relationship, answering these questions can help you determine if you're problem solving or overthinking. So think about these questions. Is there a solution to this problem? Some problems can't be solved. A loved one's health issue, a downturn in the economy, or a mistake you already made can't be fixed. But you can turn your focus into changing how you respond to those situations. Problem solving might involve solving the problem or healing your emotions, while overthinking might involve wishing things were different or rehashing things that already happened. Another question, or question 2. Am I focusing on the problem or searching for a solution? Looking for strategies that could help you get out of debt is helpful. Imagining yourself becoming homeless or thinking about how unfair your financial situation is will keep you stuck. And the third question, so what am I accomplishing by thinking about this? If you're trying to gain new perspective, thinking about an issue might be helpful. If, however, you're rehashing a conversation, I do that a lot, replaying your mistakes or imagining all the things that could go wrong, you're overthinking. So again, those 3 questions to think about. Is there a solution to this problem? Am I focusing on the problem or searching for a solution? And what am I accomplishing by thinking about this? So keep those in mind. So this week, our challenge is going to be to ask yourself, am I overthinking or am I problem solving? And whichever one you're doing, take the correct action to move forward. So turn overthinking into problem solving. Overthinking can drain you of the mental strength you need to reach your greatest potential. So pay attention to the times when you're tempted to overthink. When you trade overthinking for active problem solving, you'll be free to devote your resources to worthwhile activities. So that just kind of fell onto my radar today, and I thought that would be good to share. And yeah, so let's give it a try this week. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you want to, you know, give that a try. Hey Jen, how are you? Leave me a comment if you want to give that a try. Just, you know, if you catch yourself overthinking, think to yourself, you know, am I trying to solve a problem, or am I just overthinking something that can't be fixed? Is there a problem to be solved or not? And then kind of go from there. So that's our challenge this week. If you want to get entered into a drawing, go ahead and share the video. And yeah, I hope you all have a beautiful night, and I'll just see you next time.